Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now, to get started, you want to open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Smart Manager and tap on your battery, and you will find the power saving mode, which is called right here some maximum power saving mode. Let's see what it does. So once you tap on it, it will turn on this limited mode, what I would call, where you only have like a handful of applications accessible and basically removes wallpaper and all that stuff. Now additionally, it limits the CPU speed, which it's already limited enough, decreases the brightness by 36%, and you can also choose to basically terminate background networking when the device is in sleep mode. Sleep when it's considered when it's locked and you're not using it for like a minute or so. Now it will reconnect to network once you actually interact with the device again. So let's select apply, give it a second, and it goes through this animation right here. And there we go. As you can see, it is now in the maximum power saving mode. So that is how we turn it on, and to turn it off, let's see. It looks like we just need to tap on the three dots right here and select turn off. And this will then go back to the normal mode. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.